accessed some videos that have been put out by the centre as proof to show that it was the MPs from the opposition who manhandled the marshals inside the house. The Congress party MPs can be seen manhandling and assaulting a lady marshal inside the house. We'll play out those videos for you that have been put out by the centre as proof to what really happened inside the parliament. Remember, Rahul Gandhi had said that RSS goons attacked us, RSS goons assaulted us, people from outside were brought in and they assaulted us inside the house. But take a look at this video. Take a look at how a lady marshal has been gheraud and how the MPs are heckling her. Not just the lady marshal, in fact, they were heckling the other marshals inside the house as well. This completely dents the allegations that have been leveled by the opposition, by the Congress MPs as well, that they were assaulted inside the house. Let's go across to Megha Prasad, senior editor, joining us on the broadcast. The question is, who was behaving like goons inside the house, Megha?
Swati, it couldn't have been clearer than what we have exclusively now accessed. These are video footages, which is only available with Times Now right now. Carefully look at these video footages. There are several of them which we have now started putting out in the course of next 1 hour or so. We will be putting out more videos, Swati, for everybody to clearly see exactly what happened inside. Yesterday, you had versions and counter versions, but see it for yourself. Now, from your own eyes, see exactly what happened. The CCTV footage and the other footages from inside will not lie. What you can see, Swati, in these footages is that clearly how women marshals are being pushed, and they are being pushed repeatedly. The Congress MPs pulling and manhandling a lady marshal repeatedly. You see those visuals. I hope we have time to circle it and to show it to everybody how women MPs inside the parliament kept repeatedly hitting at the women marshal. And you can see how there seems to be a physical lockjam there where everybody is pushing the other one. There are two groups pushing at each other, and in the middle of that group, you see women marshal, you see women MPs, and how the women marshal are being pushed. So obviously these are versions and counter versions. It's for us to see, Swati, exactly what is happening. The video footage that we are playing right now are the video footages from inside. And when yesterday, there were MPs who came out and said that they were pushed by male marshals and they fell down, and they're standing by. They claim one of them has gone to a doctor, got a plaster on a hand, while the government refuted that. If at all that video is available, and whether that has happened or not, that you cannot ascertain in these video footages. The video footages right now actually show what the government said yesterday, that there were women marshals who were being pushed and shoved around, and you can see for yourself how this happened, that there are two women marshals, as per Mr. Piyush Goyal, who spoke in the House yesterday, two of them injured. I believe both of them are on leave today. Both these women marshals who were hit and were injured, one of them actually had a glass cut on her hand, and they were taken to the dispensaries. You can see how what the situation was there inside the Rajya Sabha yesterday, where they all came together and neither was ready to relent and allow space to the other side. And in the middle of all of this ruckus, you had women marshals who were being literally pushed from the side of the opposition. And whether these are the two women marshals that Mr. Piyush Goyal was talking about, there are others who actually got injured. These are 3-4 clips that we've been able to access, but that takes down the version of the opposition that they were the ones who were actually attacked. You can see how the marshals and the security personnel were attacked by the opposition. So at least that part gets established, that it actually did happen. When the government said it happened, it did happen, and you can see it for yourself. The Congress MPs hitting, repeatedly pushing the women marshal inside the Rajya Sabha.
Absolutely, Megha. All day yesterday and even today, we heard versions coming in from the member of parliament of the opposition party saying not just our voices are being silenced inside the parliament, but we are being heckled and assaulted as well. RSS goons in the uniform of the marshals heckled us, said Rahul Gandhi. But it's very important to identify these MPs in the video, particularly a woman MP who is seen dragging the marshal, dragging her and then pushing her. Megha. Okay, I think we're not able to connect with Megha. Let's go across to Pranesh. He will take us through those visuals, and if you can also help us identify who these MPs are, especially the woman MP who can be seen dragging and heckling the female, the lady marshal inside the house. Pranesh.
This is a Times Now super exclusive news break. Just minutes after Rahul Gandhi came out to say that outsiders were allowed inside the house to assault MPs. Look what Times Now has accessed. The government is now saying this is proof of the hooliganism that went inside house. You have the marshal being manhandled. All this has been caught on camera. Here we have the pictures, and let's put a big watermark on this. Times Now has exclusively accessed these pictures. This is inside the house, Swati, and it is disturbing and disquieting really, because all this was in the realm of speculation. For the first time, you have everything on the camera. Now look at this. Here you have all the opposition MPs. The marshals here, the male marshals are wearing a blue uniform, and here you have the lone woman marshal here in a white sari. And here you see the pushing, pulling and the shoving that goes on. Here, this is the moment, and we'll bring it up again, once again on the screen. This is the moment when the woman MP holds the woman marshal. It's difficult to identify this woman MP now, and I don't want to jump the gun because we are not in the business of doing that. But look what unfolded. The marshal, the woman marshal, was manhandled, roughed up. She was pushed, almost held by her neck, and there is a point, if the director can pause that frame, where you see that the woman is being dragged down. The woman marshal has been dragged down by this woman MP. Now what this shows is the extent of hooliganism. It was not just tabletop protest. This is what unfolded. Look here. This is that frame. Here is that lone woman MP. These are and the woman marshal here in the white sari. She has a mask on, and this MP here. And at the cost of repeating myself, I want to say that we are not in a position to put a name to who this woman MP is. But look what is going on. There is a ring. The marshals are outside the ring. This is opposition leaders. This is almost like an ambush. This is like a Chakravyuh. The woman marshal is inside, the lone woman marshal, Swati, and that is a point to note. And here you have all the male opposition members almost hand in hand, not allowing the male marshals to come in, and one lady MP is holding the woman marshal and pulling her, dragging her to the ground. This is proof on camera. Nothing is being made up. At a time, and just minutes after, mind you, minutes after Rahul Gandhi made that sensational claim where he said people from outside, RSS goons were called, they were given blue uniform that the marshals wear, and opposition MPs were assaulted. Here you have proof of the assault that went on, and on camera you can see the lone woman marshal being manhandled, being assaulted in front of all these people. Not one MP stepped out of the ring or even intervened to stop this. This is shameful. People behind this must be identified and punished. This is a massive Times Now super news break. Megha Prasad, our senior editor, has been able to access the footage. And just look at this.
Absolutely,
the pictures are speaking for themselves.
In fact, the male members, the parliamentarians were blocking the marshals from moving forward and maybe trying to save the lady marshal. Let me go back to Megha. This is not a street fight. This was happening inside the parliament, and these are our respectable member of parliaments, our so-called chosen representatives.
Well, Swati, I mean, what can you really say? The kind of scenes, visuals that they claimed happened yesterday, where the opposition kept on claiming that they were attacked, that marshals were called in from outside, that this was a pre-planned design, that the government decided on hitting and creating such scenes and ruckus inside the house, and that is why marshals were called. Well, the reality is out. The reality is out. It is there for everybody to see. Swati, let people themselves witness what happened and decide for themselves who is lying and who is telling the truth. Times Now has been able to access, I've been able to access all of these video footages. These are exclusively with Times Now, Swati. And we must say that no other channel's been able to access what happened inside. And these are the videos. It's for people to see how the women marshals were being pushed and shoved and repeatedly manhandled. These two women marshals, of course, we were waiting to speak to them, but then, you know, they are, of course, under government orders, they're government officials. They wouldn't, poor ladies, they wouldn't even be allowed to speak and give us their version as to what has happened. But these video footages are there for everybody to see. What was the opposition then telling about? What is this entire hullabaloo about? What is this protest about? The opposition seemed absolutely, you know, adamant and clear that they will not let the House function. And the minute, you know, the problem started when they said that we are going to support the government on the OBC bill. Well, all right, they did support the government on the OBC bill, but the minute you had the general insurance bill being passed, that is where they all sort of erupted. And the eruption led to this. These visuals that we are putting out on the screen is a testimony of the fact as to how these marshals were attacked by the opposition MPs, repeatedly being pushed and shoved and manhandled. Who takes responsibility for this, Swati? And do these MPs, member of parliament, responsible people, we elect them. These are our elected representatives. This is the kind of behavior they exhibit, that too in the temple of democracy. And then yesterday we had, of course, you know, opposition almost in tears saying that our women MPs were attacked. We need to see those. Tell us where the women MPs were attacked, because you had the Parliamentary Affairs Minister come out and say that, look here, not a single woman MP was attacked. It's all bogus. The claim is bogus. We don't know if there is any footage. We are not at Times Now saying who's right, who's wrong. What we are saying is that this is the reality. We've been able to access the video, Swati. It's the reality. Let everybody see what happened for themselves. The real picture of the situation that existed inside the parliament yesterday, inside Rajya Sabha, is out, and it's for everybody to see. It's for everybody to see. Janadin, please. It's for everybody to see, Swati. And when you see these women marshals, yesterday, you know, the government said this very painfully. You had Mr. Piyush Goyal get up in the House and say that our women marshal were hit, and you had them, one of them was injured, the other was also badly hit, and both of them were taken to the dispensary. Yes, you can see these visuals. They will tell you the real story of exactly what happened. Why is the opposition now at least needs to speak the truth, Swati, of what has happened?
Swati, just to quickly add to what Megha is saying, and let's come full frame to the visuals once again. Exclusive visuals only with Times Now. Congratulations to Megha Prasad, our senior editor, for getting this first and exclusive. No other channel, viewers, has the proof, the video proof of what transpired in the House. Like I said, everything, all of this manhandling, pushing, shoving, pulling was in the realm of speculation. For the first time, it is on camera, and Times Now is now in a position to show you. Look at these pictures. It is such an irony. It is such an irony, Swati, Megha, Mohit, that the opposition MPs wanted to talk about safety of women. They wanted to talk about what happened to a 9-year-old girl in Delhi. What about the dignity of this woman marshal? Why were they silently watching and allowing this ambush to unfold? Why were the male MPs not intervening and stopping this assault? This is assault. There is no other way to describe it. Look how she is being pulled by her neck. The lone woman marshal wearing a white dress is being pulled by this woman MP here. There is one MP here also. I can't make out who this is, so we are not putting a name on who the MP is. But look, at this point, let's freeze it here. The woman marshal is being dragged to the ground, and all these people, at least 20-25 people, not sure about the exact number, opposition MPs, have made a ring around the woman marshal, and they are silently watching the tamasha. Why did they not speak about the dignity of woman marshal? That's the fundamental question that should be asked. And will Rahul Gandhi answer this? Will opposition leaders who came out today and said that outsiders were called in to assault opposition MPs, will they answer for this? It is on camera. I'm only describing what you can see. You have a ring of opposition MPs. In between, you have a lone woman marshal. Here she is. She has a mask on. And look, all these people are allowing the tamasha to unfold.
Absolutely, Pranesh. It's also very important to tell our viewers that their job was only to maintain decorum in the house. That's all that these marshals were doing. Unfortunately, they had to face this this hooliganism. If not hooliganism, how else is this going to be described? Also, at one point, Pranesh, if you can point out to our viewers as well, the lady marshal was surrounded on all sides by the MPs. The male MPs there could have very easily handled the situation, but they allowed it to be continued, and they also blocked the male marshals, by the way, from moving forward and rescuing the lady marshal.
That's right. This is the ring. Opposition MPs have made a ring. In between, you have the lone woman marshal here. Here she is. Let's pause it here. Let's try and pause this here, Pawan, so that viewers get a sense of what we are talking about. This is the lone woman MP. And look, there are two women MPs here. We don't know who they are, which party they belong to, but look what they are doing. They are holding her by her hand. The woman marshal is being dragged to the ground, and you will see towards the end of the video that she is almost pulled down. The point that I'm trying to make is very, very simple. The opposition has been on record to say that, listen, we were not allowed to raise issues of public importance. We also wanted to talk about crimes against women, wanted to highlight that women are not safe. What about the dignity of this woman marshal? Who will answer that? And what about these opposition MPs who may not have pulled the woman marshal, but allowed the tamasha to unfold? It is not about indignity that they brought to the parliament. It is also about this abuse and insult that they've done of this woman marshal. And on top of it, Rahul Gandhi comes out to say that outsiders were brought in to assault woman MPs, to assault opposition MPs. The opposition today must look at this, which is staring at them. All the leaders must unequivocally come out and condemn the woman MP who is pulling down the marshal, almost trying to assault the woman marshal.
They should also demand
must be identified and punished.
Strict action against these MPs, especially the women MPs who were seen dragging the lady marshal. I want to go back to Megha, who continues to be with us on the broadcast. Megha, the opposition claimed that their women MPs were heckled, they were assaulted, that they were injured. Where is the video of that? Because if you go by this video, this proof which is out now, their lies have been busted, one would say, and the centre's claim has been vindicated. Also is being substantiated by the video.
Now, a couple of things we need to add right now to our coverage, Swati, and I would request the desk also to note there are lots of information that is there now available with me, which tells us exactly what happened inside. Now, chronologically, if we go by what happened one after the other in terms of the events inside Rajya Sabha, let me tell you that first you had Dola Sen, who is a member of parliament from the TMC. She kept a clothes loop. In fact, she was holding that clothes loop. Remember yesterday when she gave me an interview after coming out from the house, in that if you look at the interview that I've done with her yesterday, she was holding this whole clothes loop in her hand, and she was keeping it around her neck and then throwing it around also while she was talking to me. So that clothes loop was there with her inside the house. The clothes loop was there with the MP, and then you had another MP, Srimati Santa Chaturvedi, and she kept showing this placard that the democracy is killed, and she was putting it that waving that near close to the well of the house. Now Ms. Dola Sen then started pushing her way through the leaders of the house, and the Parliament Affairs Minister also sort of got pushed around by her while she was trying to push and make her way. In fact, after that, what we are being told is that Mr. Nasir Hussain and Binaka Chaturvedi and Arpita Ghosh, they tore the paper and threw it in the well of the house towards the chair. Then you had, and these are important chronological sequence of events, the way things happened yesterday, you also had Mr. Vora, who climbed on the marshal and tried to reach the chair. Can you believe it? I mean, I'm quite sure that, eventually you'll have all of these visuals come out. So you had one of the MPs who tried to climb on a marshal in an attempt attempt to reach to the chair. So the visuals that we are putting out, exclusive visuals here on Times Now, will actually tell you what happened inside. You also had Miss Devi Neetam and Chhaya Verma, both these persons from the INC, that is the Congress party from Chhattisgarh. They pushed. These are the women MPs, and we can now identify them. These are Devi Neetam and Chhaya Verma. That Phulan Devi and Chhaya Verma, both of them, I have spoken to them yesterday. Let's actually pull that interview, pull it out and put it out right now to put their version on one side. Swati, Pranesh, let's have their version on one side, and let's also have the video footage on the other side and figure out who's lying. And
from the viewers, let's hear from the viewers. Congratulations once again for setting the agenda by accessing exclusive and first footage from inside the parliament that confirms that woman marshal was manhandled, was assaulted. I have Vanita on the phone line from Chennai. Ma'am, good afternoon. You're on Times Now. Shubhankar is now joining us from Hyderabad. Mr. Shubhankar, good afternoon.
From Hyderabad. This is a completely anti-nationalistic activity by the Congress and its allied parties.
All right, we've lost that line. We'll try and connect to our viewers because we want to hear from our viewers. First and exclusive news break that no other channel has. Exclusive footage of what went inside. Look at this. This is that moment. Here you have the lone woman marshal, and look how she's being dragged down, almost pulled to the ground by two women MPs. Megha just described who these two women MPs are, but what is disturbing, and Shehzad and Ravi Srivastava now joining us. Shehzad, I want to ask you, the ring that the opposition MPs formed and allowed the tamasha to unfold, why did they not intervene to stop this indignity?
Clearly, Pranesh, this is showing that this is not just dissent or disruption, but it is actually desecration of not just parliament, but also of the marshal. Now, look, Rahul Gandhi said that these marshals were gundas from the RSS who were sent from the outside. But the evidence that has been put out by Megha Prasad and particularly by Times Now, it completely destroys and demolishes the fake claims of Rahul Gandhi. This is not the first time Rahul Gandhi is lying against an institution. He's lied about the Supreme Court, and this is the second lie. Now, I want to ask, will the Congress party come out and put the proof that these marshals were from the RSS, or else was this all a ploy since morning to actually defend this indignity? I can actually see this is like the Cheer Haran of Draupadi that had taken place. The visuals are nothing different than the Cheer Haran of this female marshal that is taking place at the hands of the Duryodhans of Parliament.
Ravi Srivastava, respond to that.
Swati, first of all, you are showing a video which does not prove anything. Who are the people who are doing, what are they doing?
Oh my God, can't you see the
Srivastava,
lady marshal being
Chhaya
dragged
Verma is now
pulled
joining
from
us.
both sides? What else is there to
1
prove?
minute, Swati, just 1 minute. We have Chhaya Verma, member of parliament on the phone line. Chhaya Verma ji, Chhaya Verma जी, टाइम्स नाउ पे स्वागत है आपका। ये जो वीडियो फुटेज अब टाइम्स नाउ को एक्सेस हुई है, इसमें दिख रहा है कि एक महिला मार्शल है जिसको आप भी मिलके खींच रही हैं नीचे की तरफ। क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
देखिए, आपको क्या दिख रहा है ये मैं नहीं जानती, लेकिन वहां पर सारे पुरुष मार्शल थे और एक महिला मार्शल थी। तो महिला मार्शल को आगे लाके पुरुष मार्शल धक्का देना चाह रहे थे हम लोग को, हम सांसदों को, महिला सांसदों को, महिला मार्शल के माध्यम से। तो हमने उस महिला मार्शल को हटाने की कोशिश किया और हमारे जो सांसद थे, हेलो,
सुन रहे हैं छाया वर्मा जी, बोलिए, सुनाई दे रही है, बताइए।
तो वो धक्का मुक्की में, आपाधापी में ऐसा माहौल हो गया कि पुरुष मार्शल लोग महिला मार्शल के माध्यम से हमको धक्का दिए, हमने कुछ नहीं किया।
नहीं, आप कह रही हैं आपने कुछ नहीं किया। ये विजुअल मुझे पता नहीं आप देख पा रही हैं कि नहीं, इसमें हमने बड़ा सा सर्कल भी किया है और ये देखिए, ये जो एरो है इसके नीचे है महिला मार्शल। एक ही महिला मार्शल थी, उनको एक हाथ से पकड़ा जाता है। आपके बगल में एक और मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है और वो आप दोनों मिलके, आप कह रही हैं कि आप उनको बचा रही थी, लेकिन इसमें तो दिख रहा है कि आप उनको नीचे गिरा रही हैं, घसीटा जा रहा है उनको।
हम नहीं घसीट रहे, पीछे से पुरुष मार्शल लोग उनको धक्का दे रहे थे ताकि हम आगे, हम पीछे हो जाए, टेबल तक हम ना पहुंच पाए।
बट छाया वर्मा जी, पुरुष मार्शल तो पीछे दिख रहे हैं। आप इसमें देखिए, एक बार फिर से देखते हैं, पुरुष मार्शल तो यहाँ है। देखिए, पुरुष मार्शल जिनकी आप बात कर रहे हैं वो तो यहाँ है, पुरुष मार्शल।
व्हाट्सएप नहीं, इस नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप नहीं है मेरा, मैं देख नहीं पा रही हूँ, मेरा व्हाट्सएप इसमें है नहीं।
छाया वर्मा जी, जो तस्वीरें हम दिखा रहे हैं उससे ये साफ दिख रहा है कि जो पुरुष मार्शल है वो बहुत पीछे हैं। आप लोगों के आसपास आप ही के सांसद मौजूद थे, बीच में लेडी मार्शल है जिनका हाथ पकड़ के पहले उनको खींचा गया, उनका कॉलर पकड़ के उनको घसीटा गया और उसके बाद उनको नीचे खींचने की कोशिश हुई। वहां पर आप दिख रही हैं, जानकारी के मुताबिक आपके बगल में एक और महिला सांसद हैं।
देखिए, आप जो दिखा रहे हैं वो इस मेरा व्हाट्सएप नहीं है इस मोबाइल पे। हेलो,
लेकिन आप तो वहां मौजूद थी,
हाँ, मैं वहां मौजूद
थी। इस वक्त तस्वीरों को जिसमें लग रहा है कि आप लोग धक्का मुक्की कर रहे थे फीमेल मार्शल के साथ।
मार्शल लोग महिला के माध्यम से हमको धक्का देना चाह रहे थे। हेलो,
मेघा हमारी सीनियर एडिटर भी हमारे साथ है, वो आपसे बात करना चाहती है। छाया वर्मा जी, सुनिए। Megha, I think she has disconnected the phone but kept saying, I don't have WhatsApp, I can't see these visuals, and I was being pushed.
Right. Swati, let's quickly just play the interview that she gave me last night when she walked out of the Rajya Sabha, and look at the version that she gave me yesterday, and look at exactly what was happening inside the house. What was the opposition up to? I can't quite understand. I mean, they came out of the Rajya Sabha cooking up these versions and then giving it to the media. Well, I understand that there is definitely a confrontation happened, but who was speaking the truth? Who was lying? Yesterday, I got hold of the Parliamentary Affairs Minister late last night. I waited for him to come out because there were women MPs who were making such a big charge, Swati, and I waited for Mr. Prahlad Joshi to come out. I got him on the camera. I said, you got to tell me what happened to these women MPs. It's just not right if they are claiming that, they were pushed and shoved and they fell down, and that you used male marshals on them, and that all of you were sitting inside the house while this happened. And the minister was at pains telling me that, Megha, nothing of this sort happened. These are bogus claims, and I can assure you that nobody, not a single woman was pushed and shoved, at least from our side. Nothing of that sort happened. And today, when I've been able to access these videos, it is for everybody to see. Everybody to see.
Megha, the conversation that you were talking about that you had with these women MPs, we have that ready now. We can play it.
महिला मार्शल लोग आगे खड़े थे, तो हम उसको सरका रहे थे कि आप सरक जाइए यहाँ से, तो वो सरके नहीं, और जो पुरुष मार्शल थे वो हमको धक्का दिए, ये गिर गई, मैं मुश्किल से बची, और फिर हम मेल जो
आप ये कह रहे हैं कि मेल मार्शल ने आप लोग को धक्का दिया, ये कह रही हैं आप?
हाँ, महिला मार्शल लोग आगे खड़े थे, तो हम उसको सरका रहे थे कि आप सरक जाइए यहाँ से, तो वो सरके नहीं, और जो पुरुष मार्शल थे वो हमको धक्का दिए, ये गिर गई, मैं मुश्किल से बची, और फिर हम मेल जो
आप ये कह रहे हैं कि मेल मार्शल ने आप लोग को धक्का दिया, ये कह रही हैं आप?
हाँ।
Let's go back to Pranesh now. Pranesh will help us understand what Chaya Verma is saying and what really happened. She says, पुरुष मार्शल हमको धक्का दे रहे थे, they can nowhere be seen near to the women MPs. और अगर फीमेल मार्शल बीच में खड़ी थी, what was the point in moving her from there if they wanted to save themselves from the assault?
Swati, everything is on camera. Chaya Verma can today come out and say what she wants to. She is entitled to her views, but we have the footage on Times Now, the only channel with what transpired in the house and everything on camera now. Let's go over the loop once again. We have circled this, highlighted this bit because this is where the action is taking place. The lone woman marshal is wearing a white dress. Here you can see, and look at the larger ring of opposition MPs, and they are trying to actually prevent the male marshals from actually entering. Here you see a splash of torn papers going up in the air. That is also done by a member of parliament here. It comes from somewhere around here. But this is what I want to highlight. Here you have the lone woman marshal. Look, she's pleading. In the beginning, you can see her. She's saying something, asking these women that please don't do this to me. But her left hand is being pulled, and then Chaya Verma and Phulan Devi, the two opposition MPs, are also trying to drag her down. And when I say that, I mean that the woman marshal has been held by her neck, and she is being dragged down. It's not just pulling, pushing, shoving. Look here, and let's play it. Let's play the loop again. This is the point, and now you see, she goes down. She goes down, Swati. And the most disturbing aspect in all of this, and Megha, I want to bring you in once again, that why were the opposition MPs allowing this to happen? They have been saying that we want to talk about dignity of women, women's safety, crimes against women. What was this about? It is such an irony. This is shameful. And now caught on camera. Megha.
Pranesh, this question is best answered by the opposition MPs. You know, honest, I'm being very honest with you. Yesterday, the sequence of events was such that, you know, outside, we were waiting outside Rajya Sabha, waiting for the bills to get passed. And then, you know, all of these MPs would come out and we'll have a word with them. And then all of a sudden, the situation erupted inside. And before we understood, we had two of the Union Cabinet ministers, Mr. Mukhtar and Prahlad Ji. They all came out and they were furious. They were like, you know, there is so much of a commotion that has happened inside, this chaos happened inside, and the opposition side has attacked us. While they just finished what they had to say, you had, and that's, I'm being very honest, Pranesh, even I thought for a second that, you know, when Mr. Kharge walked out right after Mr. Prahlad went in, Mr. Kharge walked out along with Mr. Sharad Pawar and kept saying that our women MPs were pushed, manhandled, assaulted. Our women MPs are not safe inside. If they're not safe inside Parliament, here in the upper house, in the temple of democracy, where in this country can women be safe? And for a second, even I was a little shaken, thinking that did this actually happen? And then the women MPs came out and gave their version. But Pranesh, look at how truth has a way of coming out. The truth comes out like this when you have the video footage for yourself to see exactly what happened. And then you had Mr. Piyush Goyal also stand up after everything got over to say how things went on inside the house, pained government, trying to counter what the opposition had to say. But then it was one person's word against the other.
This happened to her. Megha, how is she doing now? Did she sustain injuries?
The women marshals, well, Pranesh, let me tell you one thing. Most likely they are not at work today because they were taken to the dispensary yesterday. Both of them were taken to the dispensary. We've been trying to get in touch with them, but we are being told
all right, Megha, we have Dola Sen joining us on the broadcast. Let's go across to Dola Sen. Dola Sen, we are putting out a video now that shows women MPs manhandled a lady marshal. Okay, I don't think she's connected. I think we just lost that line, but we'll try and connect with her. Before I come back to you. Okay, go ahead.
Hello, I can hear you, can't you?
I can hear you now. Go ahead. Okay, I think we are on and off losing her line. Dola Sen, if you can hear me, respond to this now. The opposition kept saying that RSS goons in the uniform of the marshals attacked us. We were assaulted. But we have put out a video which clearly shows women MPs dragging, pushing, shoving a lady marshal in the house.
I think we've lost the line, but Ravi Srivastava, I want to...
if you can hear me...
Hello.
Yes,
would you like to respond?
Just go ahead and please respond.
Hello.
Dola Sen, can you hear us, ma'am? You're on Times Now. We can hear you clearly. What do you make of this video? I think we are having some issues, but we'll come back to Dola Sen. I want to bring in Ravi Srivastava. Swati, allow me to bring in Ravi Srivastava. Ravi Srivastava जी, ये जो opposition के नेता ये कह रहे थे कि हमें women safety पे बात करना है, वो कहाँ है? ये women safety पे चर्चा हो रही है ये क्या चल रहा था सर? देखिए, महिला मार्शल के साथ ऐसा दुर्व्यवहार किया गया है.
मैं बिल्कुल आपके सवाल का जवाब दे रहा हूं। पहली बात तो अगर महिला मार्शल के साथ में ऐसा बुरा सलूक हुआ तो महिला मार्शल को तुरंत जाकर के
नहीं, अगर क्या रवि श्रीवास्तव जी, अगर का क्या बात है सर? ये तो कैमरे पे अभी भी आप अगर और मगर कर रहे हैं, इसमें अगर और मगर कहां है सर? ये देखिए ना। Why are you saying
this does
if?
not prove anything. This is a
This does not prove anything. No, 1 minute. I can't believe that you're saying this, Shehzad. Ravi Srivastava, individuals like him can't even get themselves to condemn this. It is caught on camera. Look at the manner in which this lone woman marshal has been assaulted, Ravi Srivastava. You can't see this. Do not consider this as proof, but at least take a position. You must condemn what happened and the people behind this.